am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select the trigger, which is Restrict Content. Select a form or task name. Select a membership. Click Next. Now here search and select Zoho Flow. Here, give a meaningful integration name as you want. To get webhook, please visit Zoho Flow dashboard. Give flow name. Now click on Create. Select the webhook as a trigger. Choose your payload format. Copy this URL and paste it here. Click on the body. Check to send all data. Choose the same request payload as Zoho Flow. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to Zoho Flow. Then go to Zoho Flow and click on Next. Test the webhook. Click on Done. Now complete your Zoho Flow with what is necessary. Now switch on the flow. Then click Next. Now save the integration. Now go to Restrict Content. Purchased a membership. Type some information and save. Now go to Zoho Flow History. Here Zoho Flow is successfully run by the integration. Thanks for watching our video.